Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and listen to your anterior lung sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and start about the clavicle. Go ahead, take a deep breath in for me. Okay. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to go under here. And over on this side.